What you got, Tiggs? Get it. It's running, Tiggs. Get it. Get it, Tiggs. Look at that. That bird's wanting to threaten me. I got your back, Tiggs. Don't worry. Man, it did. It's over here threatening me. Like it's gonna do something. Yeah, it is. Do I need to get my drone in the air to run them other birds off?
What's the dog doing over there?
I don't know. I don't know if she's out here or what. Get it, Tiggs, get it. Here, Tiggs, let's run it back over here to our yard. That dog's gonna come over here and stop you. Get it, Tiggs. Tiggs. Get it, Tiggs, get it. It's running. Get it. Tiggs. He's like, no, I haven't been here. Tiggs, your birdie buddy's leaving. Go on, don't let it touch you.
I know.
It might peck you. You better watch out these other birds, they might come at us. They're already pretty mad. They're trying to work up the gumption to do it. Uh-oh. Here comes Lieutenant Spunky. Spunky, come here. Come on, Spunky. Kitty. Kitty. Yeah.
He thinks something's wrong. He knows that dog's coming. What is that, Spanky? I think those other birds are freaking out.
There he goes. There he goes.
Wow. I think that bird's dead.
Yes, sir.
You knew Spanky was a ferocious.
No, go back up. Don't corner him. It's alright, buddy. Go ahead.
That bird's still alive.
Yeah, it is. Not for long, though. Spunky's like, this is dinner.
I think he's going to find the net.
Yeah, he does.
So it's going to die soon. I think he knows that. How fun happening on the board?
You teach it not to crap on our stuff, Spunky. Good kitty.
Wag and he's way more vicious than Chick.
Yeah, he's like, I ain't playing around, I'm eating. He's an OG.
Poor Chicks, he's out there watching the other birds thinking he's about to get attacked.
Watch out, guys. I don't want to. Well, I love you. If I move, though, I can't get the video. Not yet. It wishes it was, though. It's working on it. Good job, Spunky. Yeah, it's working on dying now. Now he's gonna eat on it some more. Ooh, it's getting chilly with that rain.